Okay, next let's talk about the Lewis electron dot structure, no? Or yung tinatawag nating LEDs, no? Okay, in chemistry, what is the use of the LEDs? Very simple naman, no? Ang simple usage of the LED is to illustrate those of the valence electron of a given element. Okay, for example, let's take here, for example, oxygen. What is the symbol for oxygen? O. And what is the number of, how much is the number of valence electrons of oxygen? If we speak of oxygen, there are 6 valence electrons. No? Okay, under LEDs, paano natin ipa-plot, no, yung 6 valence electrons of oxygen? Well, we can do that by placing, no, those of the valence electrons starting from top. Okay, 1 valence electron from the top. Okay, another sa bottom. Okay. Okay, another sa left side. And another naman sa right side. Okay, so we now have 4, no? Then we go back to top. Okay. And then we go back to the bottom. Okay, that leaves us with a total of how many? Okay, 6, no? 6 valence electrons. So, ganun lang kasimple, no? Yung use of LEDs or the Lewis electron dot structure. Okay, it is so referred to as structure because it shows, no, or it illustrates just how many valence electrons are there in a given element. In this case, ang element natin ay oxygen. And by just looking, makikita natin just how many valence electrons are present in oxygen. Okay, ganun lang kadali, no? LEDs, Lewis electron dot structure. Okay, thank you. That would be all. Bye-bye.